Hola a todos. So today we're going to visit one country, guys. Between Portugal or Portugal. Portugal. Portugal? Okay, let's go. So guys, here we are in Portugal. You know this place where the sun is almost always out. But actually, what is Portugal?
A country!
Yeah, actually this is right. Pretty good. But where can you find it?
In the southwest of Europe.
Yeah, exactly, man. So what do you like about Portugal?
I like the sun, I like the food, I like the people, I love the sea, and I like to live here.
It's perfect, thank you.
I can't find my way back to you.
Hey guys, so right now we're going to taste a specialty from Portugal, bacalhau à brás or bacalhau à pras. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but I know exactly how I'm going to eat it. So it is made of codfish, potatoes, onions, eggs. So let's go right now. And guys, what about the language? Have you ever heard Portuguese? Me neither. So let's go right now and let's ask some questions. So how do you say hello?
Olá,
Please.
por favor,
Thank you.
obrigado,
And goodbye.
tchau, adeus.
Ciao, adios. Thank you very much. So guys, how many people are they in Portugal? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,000, 5,001, 5,002, 999,000, 10 million. Between 10 and 11 million people are living in Portugal, guys. So I think you probably know that already, but Portugal is part of the EU. You know, he entered in 1986. So if you want to get some souvenirs, you better get ready your euros, guys. Have you seen this amazing bridge, Vasco da Gama? It is actually the longest bridge in Europe. Yes, 17 kilometers long. Yeah, it's actually impressive, beautiful, very, very long. Okay guys, I've just found Mafalda.
Hi.
Okay, she's a native from Portugal and we're going to hold the peace and unity flag right now. Okay? So let's do it. So, you see everything?
Yeah.
So a big smile?
Okay, yeah.
We are in Portugal.
Nice.
Thank you very much, I appreciate that. Hola Luis, so what are the things you like about Portugal?
The things,
Yeah.
the people, the food, the weather, and the monuments.
Alright,
Nice views.
nice views.
Yes, it's a nice country.
Guys. Didn't say it enough today, guys. I like to say guys. So, Portuguese language is spoken by over 280 million people across the globe. Yeah, and it is also the official language in 8 other countries. Okay, so I'm sure you knew about Brazil, but maybe not India, because India, it is official, but just in some areas, because you know in India there's over 20 official languages, so it's kind of a lot. So of course guys, I'm not claiming that with this video you're going to understand everything about Portugal, because of course me, I don't. And I've seen only Lisbon in Portuguese. And this is actually a beautiful city, guys, and I just advise you to go and see with your own eyes, because it's beautiful, incredible, and let me show you Lisbon at night. It is, wow, fabulous, magnifico. There's something very interesting about Lisbon. Most of the shops over there and guys, there's something very interesting about Lisbon. Most of the shops here close at around 10, 11, most of them. This is really good, and the bars, you know, until 4 o'clock. So if you want to get drunk.
So what I like the most in Portugal, I really like the weather. The weather is really nice.
Can see.
I really like the sun. There's a lot of sun. The food is amazing as well. I really like the food in Portugal. It's really different from the other countries. And there's something called Pastéis de Belém, something really good. You should try.
Okay, I'm gonna get one, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Thank you, sir. Bye. So guys, the guy, he told me to try the Pastéis de Belém. So I've just bought 4 and we're going to taste it now, alright? So this is the Pastéis de Belém. Guys, if you're watching this, there are some Portuguese guys or girls, just tell me how to pronounce it, yeah? But let me tell you how it tastes though, first. Gosh, it's hot, it's tender, it's yummy. Here we go. So do you know what it is behind me? It is Palacio de Belém. In other words, Belém Palace. So it is actually the place where the president lives. Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. He lives just So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it. As I said, it's still the beginning and I'm sure you saw some progress since the first video. And every day is going to be better and better, you know, little by little. So thank you again.
Olá, sou uma seguidora do Hollywood Flow para o melhor do mundo.
It's perfect.
Let me see.